Hello and welcome. This is Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, the largest motorhome, campervan, caravan, RV show in the world. And we've got lots of enormous halls here, all full of vehicles to actually see. Here we've got the Niesmann Bischoff stand, the extremely attractive vehicles, although unfortunately I think they are over-engineered, and this has led to people making a number of complaints anyway, certainly not only in the comment section for some of them about them. Here we have the iSmove 7.3F, and I'm going to take you inside this vehicle, a vehicle which costs 200,000 euros. It's 700, and it's gone. The sizes, and the sizes, it must be written here, so 729 centimeters long, 228 centimeters in width. I'm going to close the door. This vehicle has been now on the market since, I think it was introduced 2018 season, or 2019 season, was it? Supremely attractive. This really is, for looks, a wonderful vehicle, in my opinion. Very modern looks too. Okay, it's dark in this one. You can get it done in different sizes. It doesn't have to be in black. I nearly bought a Niesmann Bischoff once, but the thing was, it was 245 centimeters wide. I just couldn't drive it. It was too wide for me. Now, some outstanding features in here. Now, I do appreciate design is taste. If you think something's designed well and the way it looks, then it could be taste. But I've got to say, there's so much electronics here which just don't work. Now, there was one viewer bought one, and he was really happy with it. He said it was just a minor problem. I think it was something to do with the Fiat. But there was one comment I got. I'd like to actually take you through the entire comment. Unfortunately, I don't have it with me at the moment, and he said, unfortunately, I have to say that this was a very accurate description of the vehicle and the problems that it has. Really, it's sad to see things like that. I mean, when I publish something and I say, oh look, it's got these problems to it, I mean, I don't get any pleasure of when somebody says, yeah, you were right, from doing it. I mean, I really do get a lot of pleasure when people say to me things. I just bought this, even if it's a rubbish brand like Knaus. I do get pleasure seeing that somebody has got a vehicle and can then start to hopefully enjoy it. But to me, this is outstanding. I mean, okay, it's too dark, but yeah, lovely, huge beds. Really, I mean, for this size of vehicle, 730 centimeters more or less. And yeah, great, fantastic. It's got so much to it. And storage in the steps. I mean, the steps and the way they've got the wheel arch. I mean, wheels have to go somewhere. Deep double floor. Deep floor in the step here. You want to see the double floor. Seeing as I've brought the subject of the double floor, do note, of course, that the floor is flat all the way back. Now, any van, in my opinion, depends on the character of the person or persons who are buying it. And this, to me, I think, very modern look. I really do see myself as being in a vehicle like this, if it wasn't just so over-engineered with all the electrical things which just go wrong. There was, for example, in one of the models, a seat here which pulled apart. The amount of people complaining at the way it just didn't work. There's electrical pop-up at the back. People complain it doesn't work. So many things weren't strong enough. Indeed, I was filming one of these vehicles at the Heimer Center in Bad Waldsee, and I was asked to leave the vehicle, and they just wouldn't permit me to go in there, which is a pity, really. that. There you go. I mean, that's a fantastic little detail. Kitchen extension like that. Very nice. I still don't believe that this is a chopping board. You know, I wouldn't chop anything up on that. Seems too expensive to potentially get damaged to me. Anyway, look, this. What do you think of all this? Do you like it? Oh, that's dodgy. Leaving one of them in here. I'm surprised that's still in here. Knowing the way things get stolen here. Oh, let's come to the back and, mind you, for Niesmann Bischoff, I would have thought they'd have had something which actually popped out the wardrobe. There's your Alder heating, and I used to think it's Alder. I'm not certain where it is. There's a view down the van. It's got an aircon in the roof. Skylights. Such a pity. Look, I put some information in the description so you can see more about it. And you know, I hope you can feel my disappointment. I wanted this to work. It wasn't something that, you know, didn't really bother me. So I'm sort of getting a bit emotionally involved in other people's vehicles. That it has so much potential, in my opinion. So Niesmann Bischoff, it's at the very top of the Heimer range of vehicles, and it's owned by the Heimer Group. And yeah, I'll take you into this other one over here, the Smove 6.9, which we can have a look at. Oh, lovely features though, hasn't it? Oh, yeah. The most attractive vehicle on the market. This has got a German layout in this one, so 190,000 really. And so the front, very similar, except we've got a bed up there. But note, the bed here, you can scarcely see it. Well, maybe exaggerating a little bit, but it's well hidden, put it that way. It blends in, which most motorhome beds of the cockpit don't. Of course, I wouldn't want it. I'd rather have storage. Large table here. 2 seating positions here, 2 belted positions here. All right, so the chair comes out across. And at the back we've got this really nice layout. This has to be in this type of layout, I think just about the best that I know of. Let's say best under 200,000 euros that I can think of for a bed system like this. Up here I've got storage, of course. Two burners, sink, toilet's the same. Lovely vehicle. So there you go, the Niesmann Bischoff Smove at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting. Upload every day 21:15, and all the best from me in Germany.